Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is advanced technologies and specifically quantum computing. IBM has just released its most powerful processor that's 30% more efficient and deals with more complex problems, and it's called Nighthawk. IBM dominates quantum computing. They have the most complete end-to-end quantum ecosystem in the world. Now, why does all this matter? Well, quantum computing is a new type of computation based on quantum mechanics that solves complex problems faster than the traditional computer. It's used in things like drug discovery, material science, like batteries, AI, finance, and optimization. Optimization is key for the supply chain, and so it's used in topics like vehicle routing, network design, forecasting, inventory management for companies like DHL, Volkswagen, and BP. It's also dominated in the software side by what else but IBM and a lot of the key players like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and some specialty softwares like D-Wave. So what should we take away from all this? You have to be looking at what is coming down the pipe and how you utilize it to optimize your supply chain and get ahead of the competition. So be looking at quantum computing and other advanced technologies to scale and be more productive.